Okay, we're gonna have a little short video here how to replace the batteries on fob, a Mercedes fob here. Is simply just pull this little tab here for the key, pull the key out. Once you have the key out, there's a little tab on the inside of the fob here. You can use a pick or a pen, whatever you have, but gently pull it back a little bit. And just this chrome piece here is going to pull out, so you just pull this back and just pry this a couple times. It's a little sticky, and you just pop it out. And there's the two batteries in the back. They're 2025, so they're easy to pull out. Just slide them out and just slide the new ones in when you have the new ones, like that. And then after you're done, you just push it back in the hole, pop it back, push the key back in, and it's all done. And that's from the Vellis Auto.